Say hey to Daddy. Show him what.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Are we in a swimming? Yeah. All right, go, go, go.
Wow, you're brave.
You did it, Penny. All right, show how you swim on your belly. All right.
You're swimming.
Show your cup. Don't drink it. Ooh. You can dry me off in the swimming pool. Swim a little bit. Oh yeah.
Can't dry.
That's my leg. Can you wave to Daddy? Can you wave to the camera? That was good. Alright, you want me to pour a bucket on you? This bucket's broken. Ready? Turn around, look at the camera while I do it. Usually she laughs.